London, 1348. A loud, filthy, thriving city, the heart of medieval England. "60,000 people crammed together, busy, alive, and completely unaware." What you're about to see is a reconstruction, based on real history. The weeks a plague wiped out half of this city. The market is packed. Let me show you. Good morrow. How's trade? Busy, thank God. She won't be trading much longer. What a lovely day to play.
Yes, look at my dolly.
She's beautiful, you're so clever.
Thank you, she's my friend.
A wonderful friend. They pray here every day. Soon these prayers turn to terror. Down by the docks, there are whispers. A sickness carried in on ships from the east. Is it true? A plague?
Whole town's gone.
Whole towns, and it's already inside the wall. They blame bad air. A curse. Anything but the truth. It's the fleas, on the rats in every street. And then I see him. The plague doctor. That beak is stuffed with herbs and flowers. They think sweet smells keep the sickness away. Can you cure it?
We bleed them. We pray.
Bleeding and prayer, street. None of it works. Nothing they have can stop what's coming. As he walks away, the first door is marked. A red cross, the sign of the plague inside. The church bells never stop ringing now. One toll for every soul. Neighbours stop speaking. Doors stay shut. Everyone is afraid of everyone. The market that was packed a week ago is empty. A cart moves through the streets at dusk, and a voice calls out the words that define this year. Bring out your dead. Over and over, in every lane. Smoke rises over the city. There are too many now to bury. Even the church stands empty. The priests are gone too. In a few short months, half of London is gone. The market woman, Agnes, the priest. They thought their world was permanent. Every world does, right up until the day it ends.